Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And in today's lesson, we're going to study the fret positions. I would say positions on the guitar, which is an important topic where you'll find easier to move to places in different positions. And another important factor is I'm going to talk about your fingers, left hand fingers, the fingertips. Okay, a lot of my students are having issues with these two things, so I thought I'll put it across, and you can please let me know in the comment section down. Okay, those who have missed my previous lesson can please do check them out. I'll put the links in the description. Yeah, so let's begin with our fretboard. So as you can see, we have a neck, right, and we have something called as fret marks. This I should have explained in the beginning where I missed out. I normally tell the students when I tell the different parts of the guitar. Never mind, I'll put the different parts of the guitar on the screen right now. You can go through that. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. So also I would recommend any of you are watching this video, make a diary or make a notes or a book or make a file and put everything in order. So if you intend to forget anything, you can go back, check the material out. Okay. So coming back to the fret, now we have something called as the fret marks, right? Yeah. And it becomes very easy for a student to know. Another thing, what you can see, I have put some inlays over here, like star inlays, and they are just located where the fret marks were there. So now I'll tell you what do I mean. Well, the fret marks are always located on the third fret. Some may not have it on the third fret. I've checked most of the guitars, but electric guitars, I'll show you an example with electric guitar also regarding the fret marks. Okay, so we have on the third fret, fifth fret, then we have the seventh fret, we have the ninth fret, 12th fret, 15 and 17. I'll repeat again. We have the third fret, the marks. I'm talking about, you can see the inlays, right? The style, some having dots. I'll show it on the electric guitar also. Third fret, fifth fret, seventh fret, ninth fret, 12th fret, 15th fret, 17th fret. Alright, now just pick up a electric guitar and I'll show you on the electric guitar. Well, on this guitar you can see the fret marks, right? And this is a Yamaha electric guitar. It's a 420 DZ model, and I like this guitar a lot. So maybe later on I'll do some exercise on this guitar and some lessons on this guitar. So coming back to the lesson, you can see the fret marks on 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 12th, 15, 17, right, and so on and so forth, right? And as you know, the fretboard repeats. What do I mean is, like, there's a G over here and there's a G over here, which is an octave. Well, I shall show you on a classical guitar how a classical guitar looks and how difficult it is, where I had a lot of issues and it was a nice learning curve, but I had a really tough time, and I'll tell you why. Okay guys, so I'm here with the classical guitar, as you can see, and now you can see no inlays, no markers. Only, I think so, I had it on the 7th fret, which was over here, and I used to literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on and so forth. And I don't want you to go through the whole thing. I would say some things helped me because I learned more advanced thing at my beginner stage, and it was hard for me, but as I went through theory of music, and I would suggest you to go study theory. Theory is very important. Well, now coming back to our left hand, okay, and topic was about a fingertip. Uh, Most of my students, they intend to get this kind of a sound while playing. We had done a previous lesson. We had done exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just show you how my students struggle with this, and most of you will struggle with this. Is this first thing? Is this okay? The issue over here is very simple, guys. You have to know which string you're playing, okay, and take your plectrum and place it on the string, on the first string, right? Then with your tip you press the string. If you kind of held it loose and apply no force, you're going to get a sound something like this. It's like a muted kind of a thing. You can still use it. You can use it in your playing. Like you'll get something like this if you can use it. Forget about it at this point. But what I want to focus is on your pressure applied on the string. Okay. Yeah, and I would suggest anybody who is just learning, take a marker or a pen and mark on your finger tip, or any teachers out over there can do this, and that will help a child or any beginner to know what part of your flesh to be put over there, right? Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.